Okay, in this lecture I am going to show that I am going to find actually the automorphism of G if G is a finite cyclic group finite cyclic group of some order of n, of order n, suppose finite cyclic group of order n. Okay, in the last lecture we will show that we find the number of automorphism, that is auto G, if G is an infinite cyclic group. Okay, you can view the lecture in the lecture 3 actually. Okay, now I am going to find this automorphism group. So here we consider G be a cyclic group, finite cyclic group of order n, finite cyclic group of order n, and let G be generated by some elements A. Okay, then we know that order of A must be n, order of A equal to order of the group for any finite cyclic group. Infinite, for infinite cyclic group it is also true, that is infinite, both are infinite. Now order of A equal to n in this case. Now if any T be any automorphism from G to G, then we know that order of TA is the generator of G. Since A is generator of A, therefore TA is the generator of G. That is, G is generated by T of A. This is true for any isomorphism actually. If we consider any isomorphism from G to G dash, then if G be cyclic with generator A, then G dash is also cyclic with generator F of A. Therefore, it is true for automorphism also. Automorphism are nothing but isomorphism from G to G. Now, what are the generators of G? That are the options of T actually. That are the options of T. T means the automorphisms. We know that the generators of G are a to the power r, where r is less than n, 0 less than r, less than r less than n, and r is prime to n. GCD of Rn equal to 1. And the number of generators of G is phi n. Therefore the auto G, that is the options of T, are at most phi n. That is, order of auto G is less or equal to phi n always. If we want to show that, actually we will show that the order of auto G equal to phi n, that is the total number of automorphisms can be defined from G to G on G. Actually automorphism on G is phi n. Now here we can see that in this, from this result, actually order of auto G is less or equal to phi n. Now if we show that all the automorphisms defined by this TA equal to a to the power r, where r less than n and r is prime to n, r is positive integer, less than n and prime to n, then if we can show that these automorphisms are distinct for any such r, then the total number of automorphisms are phi n. Okay, so now we will show that the automorphisms, these types of automorphisms are distinct. Actually here we denote TRA equal to a to the power r, and TS, for r we denote the automorphism by TR, and for the integer s we denote the automorphism by TS. We define this TRA equal to a to the power r, TSA equal to a to the power s, where RS are 1 less or equal to this, GCD of Rn equal to 1, GCD of Sn equal to 1, and we may consider this r less than s. Okay. Now if we let us assume that TRA equal to TSA. You may include if possible actually. if possible, let us assume that this, that is a to the power r equal to a to the power s, that is a to the power s minus r equal to e. We know that if order of a equal to n and a to the power m equal to a, then n divides m. So here order of a equal to n and a to the power s minus r equal to e, that is n divides s minus r. Here s and r both are less than n, and s minus r must be less than n. S minus r must be less than n. So it cannot happen. Therefore, this is a contradiction. So TR cannot be equal to TS actually. So these automorphisms are distinct. So the distinct automorphisms from a finite group G are T such that TA equal to a to the power r, where r less than n and r is prime to n. So total number of distinct automorphisms can be defined on a finite cyclic group of order n are phi n, which are actually, if we write this set auto G equal to T such that TA equal to a to the power r, where r is less than n, 1 lesser equal to r less than n, and GCD of Rn equal to 1. Okay, so that's all. If G is an infinite cyclic group, G is a finite cyclic group, then we found here the automorphism of G. So if G is a finite cyclic group of order n, then automorphism of G, order of automorphism of G is phi n. Okay, order of automorphism of G is phi n. Okay, this completes this topic actually. So thank you.